Assalamu alaikum reception 2. I hope you all are well. This is your today's homework. This is page 49 of your maths workbook. Let's see what we have to do here. Subtraction. Taking away to make it less. Let's say if I have 7 apples and I gave one to my friend. How many am I left with? 5 or 6? To find out, we have to learn about subtraction. Subtraction is taking away things to make it lesser. Let's see this example. In subtraction, first of all, we have to read the sum. 7 minus 1 is equal. These apples are, let's count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are 7 apples. And how many I have to take away? 1. So, we will cross out 1 apple and let's count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, I had 7 apples. When I take away 1 apple from 7 apples, I am left with 6 apples. The answer is 6. 7 minus 1 is equal 6. Let's solve this sum now. First of all, we have to read the sum. 7 minus 2 is equal. So let's count these apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are 7 apples. And we have to take away how many apples? 2 apples. So let's cross 1 and 2 apples. Let's see how many apples are we left with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's the answer? 5. 7 minus 2 is equal 5. Let's solve this sum now. 7 minus 3 is equal. So, out of 7 apples, we have to subtract or minus or take away how many apples? 3 apples. So, we will cross out 1, 2, 3. And how many apples are we left with? 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 minus 3 is equal 4. Let's read this sum now. 7 minus 4 is equal. So, out of 7 apples, we have to take away 4 apples now. So, let's take away 4 apples from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see how many are we left with. 1, 2, 3. We are left with 3 apples. 7 minus 4 is equal 3. So we had 7 apples. We take away 4 apples and we are left with 3 apples. So taking away to make it less. We are taking away. Subtraction means taking away to make things lesser. Let's read this sum. 7 minus 5 is equal. So out of 7 apples, we will cross out or take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll cross out 5 apples. And how many apples are we left with? 1, 2. We're left with 2 apples. If we give away 5 apples out of 7 apples, we will be left with 2 apples. So 7 minus 5 is equal 2. Now let's read the sum. 7 minus 6 is equal. So how many we have to take away from 7 apples this time? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are we left with? Just 1 apple. 7 minus 6 is equal 1. Here 7 minus 7. So out of these 7 apples, we have to subtract how many? 7. Let's cut out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If we have 7 apples and we give away 7 apples, how many are left? No apple. So 7 minus 7 is equal 0. And 0 means nothing. We are left with nothing. Then the last sum, 7 minus 0 is equal. How many we have to cut here? Nothing, because 0 means nothing. So how many are we left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minus 0 is equal 7.